Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can earn $10 by uploading simple PDF file to this secret website I'm going to share with you, and you are going to get paid $10. So for everyone that view your PDF file, you will be paid $10. So I'm very sure you will want to ask me, why would this website pay me for someone view my content? I'm going to explain that at the end of the video, and I'll be explaining the type of PDF file you can upload to this website. So this file include old homework, practice exam, and study notes. So I'll be teaching you how to create your profile on this website, how to upload your PDF file, and where to upload it. Also, I will teach you how you can get people to view your file so that you can get paid, and how you can withdraw your earning. So this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial on how you can register and how you can upload your documents. So if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to be revealing this secret website. So before we moved and before we dive into the full tutorial, if you're watching this video guys and you are here to subscribe to my channel, guys, what are you doing? Kindly hit the subscribe button, make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. It goes a long way. Thank you. Also, to my returning subscriber, I want to say a very big thank you to you. So if you love making money online, both online or offline, this video is for you. I mean, this channel is for you. So all you need to do is just click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we release video tutorial. So let's get to the training. So when you get to this website, all you need to do is click on the menu icon. Then you see where sell document is. You click on sell document. So I'm going to explain how this thing works before we start creating an account. So you are going to click on sell docs. Then it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, you can see earn money by sharing study documents. Earn passive income sharing documents with millions of notes bank subscribers. You can earn up to $10 every time a student view your document. You can see. So now the next thing, let's just look at how it works. Yes, let's look at how it works now. So the first step is that you upload class notes. So if you have class notes of secondary school, higher institution, maybe when you were in school, old homeworks, exam or quiz or past question, so you can get all these documents, scan it, and upload it. So after you have uploaded it, then it's going to be approved. Do you understand? So they are going to approve your document. They are going to review it. Then after it gets approved, the millions of students can now search for it and access your document. Do you get? And you can earn up to $10 every time a student view your document. Yes. So that is how it actually works. Do you get? So you can also become a tutor on this website. Do you get? So to become a tutor, all you need to do is to click on this menu icon. Then you are going to see become a tutor. So you can earn up to $7,500,000 monthly by tutoring on this website. Yes. So but the fastest ways to make money is what I want to teach you now. So on the website, on this search bar, type in mathematics. So other resources that has been uploaded by users like you will be shown. So I'm going to type in mathematics and click on the mark button here. So we see different resources under mathematics here. So let's just scroll down. So we can see different PDF file that has been uploaded by people just like you, and they have made a lot of money from this website. You can see. So I'm just going to click on one of these documents uploaded by somebody to see how this thing works, so that you can see how it's going to work, how you can earn $10. So I'm going to click on this document. So once I do that, now it's going to bring me to this interface. Now where you see unlock document, now if any students click on this unlock document, you are going to get $10. That means if they view this your content, you are going to get what? $10. Do you get? Now I'm going to show you other people that have made money with this website. Let me just show you. Okay, so let us go back. I'm going to go back. And okay, now look at this place. Now look at the top earners. You can see the Rocha You can see Professor Alfred. Now the Rocha has made $77,150 from this website by uploading a simple PDF file. Then we have Professor Alfred. Do you get? So these are the people. You can see this one has made $54,316, $44,253. So you can also make money from this website. Now look at the top trendy topic. Look at the topic, different topic that has been uploaded on this. You can see algebra. You can see medical surgery nursing notes. So any document, chemistry practice, any document from different departments, from different faculty, you can upload. Just make sure that it's a valuable content. Do you understand? You can see. So these are the samples of document that you can upload. So the name of this website is called Studypool. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So now the next thing is for us to create an account. So to do that, click on Start Sharing Documents now. So I'll click on that. Then I'm going to enter my username, my password. So I'm going to enter email, username and password. But if you don't want to, then you click on create an account if you want to follow this process. But if you don't want to do that, you can sign up with your Google account and it is going to be very easy. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account. So I'm going to click on sign up with Google, or you can also sign up with your Facebook. So I'm going to sign up with Google. So I'll click on that. Then it's going to bring me to this interface. I'm going to log in with my email account. Then I'm going to click on continue. Okay, all right, now we are on this page. Okay, so the next thing is you read this terms and condition, then you click on agree. So the next thing is for us to enter our username. I'm going to put in my username. Then it's asking for the school you finished from. So I finished from Federal University of Technology, Akure. So I'm going to put in that is FUTA. So guys, before we continue, if you are watching this video and you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly take a few seconds right now to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video and leave your question in the comment section. Let's continue. Okay, so once I'm done that, then you can upload your picture if you want, but if you don't want, you can just ignore that. Then you click on continue. So I'm going to click on continue. It's going to bring me to this interface. So here we have Federal University of Technology, Akure. So you can browse when you see that browse notebook, you can click on that and view resources under Federal University. People that have uploaded PDF file documents under footer. Then I'm going to click on sell document because I want to sell documents. So I'm going to click on that. So the next thing is for us to upload our PDF file. So click on upload more files. It is going to take you to your phone gallery or your system file. Then you can upload your documents. Now there are 3 things you need to do, or that is very important for your content to be accepted, which I'm going to tell you. Number 1, your content or your file must be of high quality. That is, it must be clean, professional, and it must be free from typographical error. Number 2 is that you must add document details. This will help students to find your documents by labeling your documents with story title, course details, tags. Do you understand? So this will actually increase your sales to about 480%. Yes, this will make students to be able to find your document, to view it, and you get paid for it. So that is that. Then number 3 is that your content must be valuable. You must provide valuable content. You don't just post trash on the website. You don't just go to ChatGPT and go and copy and paste here. They are going to block you or delete your account. So tomorrow you won't come here and tell me that it's not working. So prevent all these things. Even on the website, you will see those do's and don'ts. Do you get? You can see. You will see it on this their policy. So please follow the policy of the website. So I'm going to give you tricks on how to be successful when upload your document, or how you can do it. Tricks on how you can do it. For instance, maybe you don't have the document. Maybe you have graduated for like somebody like me that have graduated from school. I have brothers in the school. Yes, I have brothers, I have friends in the school. So I will advise you is just meet with your brothers or families. Do you get? Meet with them, ask for their materials. You can just scan it. There are phones now that scan documents. Scan all those documents, or you source for projects. Maybe they are done with their project or they have projects. Collect their project, scan it, and convert it to PDF. I'm going to show you the website you are going to use to convert your scanned document to your PDF file. Then you are going to upload it to this website. So that is how you can start earning money from this website. Do you get? So I'm going to show you the site where you are going to use to convert your scanned documents into your PDF file. So to convert your scanned document to PDF file, come to PDF to go. Then you scroll down, you come to convert to PDF. Just click on convert to PDF. Then you are going to upload your document. Just click on it. You can see choose file. So click on choose file and you upload your document from your phone gallery to this place and click on start, and your document is going to be converted to PDF. Once it's converted to the PDF, then you are ready to go. Then you can now upload it to the upload it to the website. Then you can now upload it to that website and it will get approved. So it takes like 48 hours or thereabout to get it approved. Do you understand? So that is that on how to register. So if you enjoyed this video, please kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure you like this video. See you in the next class.